with my initial as well, okay?
Okay, I appreciate you for finally writing that down. I will sign it. Can
Okay,
you hand
there
it
you
to
go.
me?
There's a pen right there. Go ahead and date and sign, please.
What did you write? You said failure to
Right
sign,
here. Failure to
subpoena,
sign.
results in bench warrant.
Yep.
Okay.
Failure to show down here is date and, or failure to show on this date results in bench warrant, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna sign this. This is what they're doing at Walker Courthouse, though. And this lady had nothing to do with nothing. And this officer came all the way from the back just to try to question me when I did nothing wrong but try to come and make a payment. I'm going to sign this paper. I don't have to answer your questions, though. I don't even have to deal with you. Well, I'm glad it's being recorded, but I want to record this for my personal protection because you're asking me about being in my vehicle when you haven't even seen me before I stepped in this vehicle. Yes, you did. You asked me, did I drive here today? Oh, I hope you're not driving in your vehicle. Well, it was one of you, one of your partners, and you coming out here questioning me. You must know about what's going on to even come question me, like they said. Well, I will. I will, but I don't have to. I'm not obligated to, so you can't force me to. Could you please let me in the court clerk that I'm paying my fine to, that she already gave me my receipt and everything? Can you let us discuss our business and handle your police business, which is protecting or serving, and you're not acting like a public servant right now. You're acting like you're harassing me because I asked for some papers. Well, I didn't ask you, so I don't appreciate you even trying to explain because I did not ask you, and you're questioning me, and you're trying to have business with me, but you're on duty, so I don't want to deal with you. Leave me alone. Please leave me alone. This is harassment. Thank you.
Okay, so I just need a date and a
For
signature,
real.
please. There's a pen right there.
Everything's always funny. Y'all think y'all could just do what y'all want, but we gonna get some shit right around here. I'm telling you. You can think everything's sweet if you want to, but it is what it is. And everybody legal to the T, so it is what it is. There you do something, man. It is what it is. Gotta sign this paper, another payment plan, and I'm here to pay my plan for attorney fees that I'm gonna get a warrant for if I don't sign this paper for today when I came to pay on my attorney fees, and I'm not understanding because I'm indigent the whole time. Thank you, Walker. Please leave me alone. Please. Stop playing. What is today's date?
12/27, yep.
Excuse me. Man, I don't know nowhere where you should get harassed like this, like just for coming to pay your fines and asking to do business with you, which you're behind the window, and he came from all the way in the front and came back there to where you were to come back out here and harass me and stand next to me over my shoulder while I'm paying the fine. Like I'm the only one out here. Like there's no one. Like he has no reason to do this. There's no one nowhere. And then he's over here like reaching for the paper and reaching for stuff. Bro, you have no business touching this. I just paid for everything that's right here, and I'm signing the official document between me and her, bro. I don't want you to mess with me. That's what I'm saying. I want you to leave me alone. And I feel like y'all about to harass me. As soon as I go outside, it is what it is, and I'm not driving. So I dare you to run up on the car because Cuz got his driver's license. I got my weed card, medical. So if that's the issue, it is what it is. And weed is recreational here in the whole state of Michigan. Stop playing with me. I don't understand. They here fucking with me just because, probably because I'm black and don't think a mug gonna say nothing about it or do nothing about it or know his rights or know who to talk to or hide nobody in his family or just think whatever. But it's not what's up. It is what it is. Let's see what it do at the end of the day.
Okay. Here's your copy of it with everything we discussed and your payment plan. We'll see you back on January 24th next year, okay?
Hold on. I'm sorry. Whatever you wrote on the sticky note don't seem to be on there.
Sticky note. There is no sticky note on this. On the copy, I made the copy with the sticky note on it, so it just came right out on the paper for you.
All right.
Are you all set?
Yep.
Okay.
Thank
Have
you.
a good day, sir.
No. Other lady that came talking to me going in the back, she's right there. But now they all came back. I don't know which one of them came and asked me about driving and all that. I told them I'm not driving, which I'm not. So I don't know what they doing. I don't want to question y'all. I don't want y'all to question me. So have a nice day.
If you're taking care of your business, please. Thank you.
All right, thank you. What's your name, Sergeant?
Corporal Frank, thank you.
Corporal Frank,
Yeah.
Corporal Frank, I want you to know that your officers didn't have no reason to come and question me or mess with me, but they did today. And I want to know what you intend to do about that. Like, is that something that y'all practice here at Walker?
What we need you to do is, you're all finished with your business, so you can go ahead and go.
What's your name, officer? What's your name? Officer Hoy, what?
Let's go this way, sir.
What's your name, officer?
We're closing off, let's go.
Huh?
Welch, we're going this way.
All right.
Hey,
I'm in.
everything's fine.
I'm
You
in.
took care of your paperwork.
I'm
They
doing.
told you if you didn't pay it, that it was a warrant, you'd go to jail, so you know,
I'm
you
doing
took care of
this.
it.
But why did he come harassing me? That's what I want to know. Why did he come questioning me and trying to question me about
Hey, keep
leaving
moving here.
and my circumstances? And why are you rushing me out? I didn't get rushed in here.
Stop.
Like, are y'all closing right now or something? I thought y'all had it to 5 o'clock.
Yes.
Well, I hope y'all have a good day.
Take care, sir.
I hope you get that situation straightened, and I hope y'all finally learn how to actually act like public servants and treat people. And I hope y'all courts get on the accord that y'all supposed to be with the actual law in Michigan, and stop just saying what law is. Well, I'm recording for my personal safety because once your officers ask me about something about leaving, I feel like they're going to follow me or harass me. So if they do stop me along the way, I want you to know that
Good day, sir.
I want you to stop your officers from trying to harass me. Fuck with me. Real shit. Oh. This is what you go through when you come to Walker Courthouse to pay your fines because I'm black and because I had attorney fees and because I could not afford them. This is crazy. This is crazy at its best. Cuz, come on, we gotta get up out of here, bro. And if they stop us, bro, it's because they was being some hoes, bro. Nigga, come on.
Stop nobody. You ain't got no right to.
Exactly what I'm saying, bro. He come, if the motherfucker gonna come from first. The bitch came, like as soon as I got in there, this lady came by. She like, well, hope you're not smoking out in your car or something. I'm like, what do you mean? What are you talking about? She like, well, you're pretty strong. I'm like, what do I got to do with anything? Weed is recreational here in the whole state, and there go one right there, I think. But weed is recreational here in the whole state. I don't know. I thought that one, whatever. But weed recreational in the whole state. And she had no reason to say that to me, but I'm like, I got my medical card anyway, so I don't understand what you're talking about, and I don't want to talk to you. And then we proceed to talk, me and the lady that's the court clerk. I'm getting these papers from her. I'm asking her, about paying the fine. She's like, well, if you don't have the whole thing or you don't have $100 right now, I can't accept this unless you sign up for another payment plan right now. I'm like, well, can I get that in writing? I'm like, can I get something that says that if I don't sign this paper right now, then you're gonna, basically she like, well, I'm gonna put a warrant out. I'm like, you already gave me the receipt and took my money, so now what's up? And she's like, well, basically, if you ain't got that, then you gotta do this. So then I asked for the other paper, saying Mr. Barrera name at the top. And before she gave me a copy of it, she X'd out this man's name today. And she had no reason to do that. And she like, well, that's just a clerical error on our behalf. And I'm like, I really don't want to sign that other paper. I'm like, can I just go? She like, well, we're gonna put a warrant on. I'm like, why? And basically the other cop came out and he like, well, are you driving? Are you driving here today? I'm like, you don't have no reason to question me. I'm not dealing with you. And I think that's one of their people's too, because that truck was just at the courthouse. Like, I'm like, I'm not dealing with you. And then, like, she is following me. That's crazy, bro. I'm like, I'm not dealing with you, bro. And then he like, well, he steadily questioned me. I'm like, can you leave me alone, please? And then another one came questioning me. You know what I mean? Then after I get done talking with her, The other one coming in the back and she saying little side shit. Like they all getting mad because I'm there, because I'm questioning, like, how are they doing what they doing and they not supposed to. I'm like, somebody might spy